All right, let's check out this old Edison Professional Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, not sure what that is. As you can see, it's got a bunch of crazy lights on it. On the back, it's got the whole control board along with a little LCD screen. I mean, it doesn't have the deepest bass, but it's more of like a PA style speaker. Still sounds really good, and it is crazy loud, so let's get into it.